So we have a dilemma with this door. You punch the code, the door motor unlocks, gets the latch in, and the latch is staying. What's supposed to happen is the latch is supposed to go back once you open the door and you close it, and the door stays closed but not locked. Okay, so took the screws out and just enough to pry out and replace it. Okay, all Phillipses are in. Now the low voltage guy is not here today, so we cannot test the door, so he'll test it and come back to us, let us know if that's working.